Hello, I'm Kenrick Nelson from Photech. We're building a great team with Cardano, and we have four proposals in Fund10. I'm going to talk about evaluating democratic pluralism on the Catalyst Test Network, and then later in the month, Joanna is going to talk about risk monitor for SPOs, and we're also supporting the consents community, and we're supporting Einstein Henson in writing a book on Cardano governance. So the Evaluating Democratic Pluralism Security, the Catalyst Test Network, is part of the Catalyst Systems Improvement category. And our objective there is to expand the possibilities of how we come to decisions and help the community make better decisions in funding projects for Catalyst. Core to that is improving the security so that we can have a different variety of voting systems. Right now, we're using a corporate model of essentially one share or one coin per vote. There are members of the community that have been advocating democracy as a foundation. And then we think a kind of in between that is a pluralism, where you get ranked choice voting, but your choice is based on a fair price for your influence. And then we'll present all of this in scientific presentations and publications. The team is Photech, which includes myself, William Thistleton, Megan Hess, and Joanna Atia. And then the Snaprilla team, which has already implemented these capabilities on the mainnet, will be implementing them on the testnet with Einstein Hanson's help. And then QA DAO will be documenting all the work. Our milestone in budget is 7 months, less than 500 ADA, spread over 6 milestones, focusing on engineering, actually doing the testing on the Catalyst network, and then a research and closeout section. And we've been publishing a variety of reports on governance. We've participated in the Cardano SIP 1694 workshops. And part of our objective now in our latest report is this: how do we transition from a model that's like an open corporation to one in which it's a digital nation, and people have citizenship that gives them authority in the community. We look forward to hearing back from the community about our proposal.